absolutely stunning. We found this old logging camp.
That water's cold.
Have you ever wanted to get out of the office and have an adventure? Well, I found my dream boat and I had no excuses left. Hi, my name is Darryl. Check out some of my wildest adventures. After serving in the Canadian Coast Guard for years on boats just like this, I decided to buy my own and sail around the world. This channel is my passion project where I outfit my boats for extreme conditions and put them to the test. So stay tuned and subscribe as I embark on the worldwide dinghy ride. Hey guys, good morning. We're on Quadra Island. We had an awesome sleep. We came back last night. It was a little dark and had an absolute blast. So today we're up early. We're gonna head over to Refuge Cove, grab a couple things and go north. We're hoping to check out an inlet or two, actually a fjord or two up there, and we're gonna find some grizzly bears. So that's the hope. Wish us luck, you guys. We're gonna put the Takacat in the water and probably try and actually go up the river. So super pumped about that. Okay guys, we got the orange Takacat on Dinghy 1 to Kenobi. It doesn't quite match, but hey, precision colors. Anyways, how good does that look? It's huge,
Calico
actually.
Skies colors too.
Calico Sky orange. That is why I brought the orange one, is to match. Anyways, it looks awesome. I'm so excited. We're getting out there now. We're gonna head to Refuge Cove, grab a coffee, some gas for the little dinghy engine I put on there, and out into the fjords. So wish us luck today. I am absolutely pumped. That's it, guys. We're leaving Harriet Bay. I'm so pumped.
And we are off. Beautiful day.
It's a gorgeous day.
Cannot get over the weather
good.
here. We've been
lucky, I think, a little bit too.
Yeah, I mean, obviously coming from Mexico, we were like, we're gonna freeze, but it's been really nice. Just like the sun is so warm and there's no wind, so the wind is the problem, as I always say. So we're doing a little pit stop.
Fuel?
Can we get fuel?
Water? No. That's what we usually do. Coffee,
Oil.
fuel, and butter. We're gonna catch some fish for dinner, I think. We're hoping.
Yeah, that's our plan. We're rafting up here to this dock, and I've never seen a dock like this before. Giant wood piling. I guess the tide is pretty
Crazy how hot it feels.
crazy.
Just a quick stop, pit stop in Refuge Cove. This is like one of my favorite places to go in Desolation. It's so gorgeous. just got the drone up and I went to start the engine and it died twice. So.
Oh, snap.
Okay, we got it back. Holy cow. It's kind of exciting, but terrifying, isn't it? It's like we want to see bears and do cool stuff.
We don't want to create content about engines not working.
At least get stuck up there.
Yeah, that's actually what I was thinking
Like,
too.
I'd be down with that.
We don't get back,
like,
we don't get back, but
you know what I mean?
I was already mentally preparing to be camping.
Now that bed is definitely not big enough for the three of us. Okay, so we're good for now. We think I'm just gonna keep some revs up. Maybe push a little water into the Raycor or through the little one, I don't know. We'll see. Okay guys, absolutely stunning. We found this old logging camp. We went on shore, but it was a little bit sketchy with the trees and the bears. So anyways, we're tied up at this wicked little dock we found. And this place is so gorgeous. So lucky to have this week. I think what our plan is we're gonna go across the street and across the inlet.
So we're just taking a quick stop here to fly the drone, and there's just something about this spot with the aqua green water, the logs and the mountains and the lighting right now, and it's so gorgeous. So we just dropped the hook and we're gonna get the little boat and check out this river. We decided to keep going at the last spot, or the first spot we tried, because we saw a few other boats, but this spot is definitely super quiet. There's no one here.
Guys, what do you think? How is the day going?
Cannot wait for this. It's amazing.
This is we're in the Takacat and we're gonna go up this river. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but you can't actually see anything like 2 inches underwater, so
It's muddy.
at least it's only a 6-horse, not a 3-horse or 300. Anyways, we're just tucked off on the side of the river and the current's not even barely moving. So we anchored Dinghy 1 Kenobi, and we've got this beautiful orange Takacat, and we're gonna head off upstream. This could be amazing.
You ready for this?
Here we go. Seems very familiar yet.
So excited!
This is it, guys. We're off.
It's so quiet. That water's cold. I think we saw that it was what,
Walk up on there.
11 degrees Celsius? It was 11 degrees Celsius, the water, when I looked on the chart plotter. Okay, so we're headed back, and the boat is
Is that fueled?
there. That black dot.
Yeah. I don't know.
And we ran out of fuel, actually in the middle of another crisis that we didn't film, which was almost losing the drone. And we had to paddle up to it because we had run out of gas right when the drone started to die and was being flown like over a glacier. But the whole point of this is that the current is going in our direction. So we're drifting.
Okay guys, we're gonna get back on Dinghy 1 Kenobi. We ran out of gas almost at the same time as we almost lost the drone. So they were paddling upriver. We got it and then had to quickly try and paddle towards the boat because we couldn't get the engine started. But it's primed now, we're good to go.
There's always something in this life.
We're back in business.
Back in business, wow.
It's not our boat, but we still have boat problems no matter where we go.
We were rowing because the current's
Okay.
taking us in the right direction this way, but
Generally.
not this way. So we're drifting that way. We want to go that way to our boat. So close.
We just pulled anchor from the side of the river. That was so friggin' cool.
That was fun, guys.
That was awesome. We're gonna head out and we have a long way to go, but at least we're going with it this time. Yeah.
Got the
Covers?
on,
Oh
yeah.
yeah. We were frozen, like absolutely starting to freeze.
last night was cold.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, we're on our way, so we're gonna head back to Quadra and spend the night. Yeah. We made it back Quadra Island. Yeah, we took the Takacat, we took the orange one up the river, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna head up to the cabin and maybe make some food. We were supposed to catch a fish tonight for dinner, so that's not happening. But yeah, other than that, it's gonna be a great night.
We got some raviolis.
Ravioli, yeah,
Garlic
it's
butter.
killing it.
Broccoli. I'm glad about broccoli.
Oh yeah, we got a head of broccoli. What are we gonna do with that? What are we doing with the broccoli?